Hey guys, welcome back to Outside with Shad. Today, I got some unboxings, some stickers, putting a 20-inch bar on, changing the air filter, changing the fuel filter, putting the dogs on that Richie's Outdoors sent me. So, if you stick with me, we'll get right to it. Alright, let's get some of this stuff out of the way for now. Alright, the first unboxing is from Jared Hildebrandt. The thing is, this might be the sticker, not so much a sticker. I don't know, but we'll figure it out right here. It's not a sticker, but it's a sweet Miller High Life, the champagne of beers. Thanks, Jared. Oh, there's a little note inside. Hey, Shibe. Had it, don't wear it. Thought you might like it, Jared. Well, thanks, Jared. I'll definitely be wearing this. Couple stickers here. More stickers, more stickers. We'll get to this box next. This next box is from Matt's Firewood. So Matt had a bunch of stuff laying around that he wasn't using anymore. So he decided to pay it forward and send me some of his stuff that he wasn't using. So let's check it out and see what it is. All right, so got a 16-inch chain. Made 3 cuts with it. And a 16-inch bar. That'd be good for if I'm just limbing or something. So, thanks, Matt. Appreciate it. This one is from a guy I work with, one of my friends, Kevin Hostetter. And it's a sticker. Just a tip, I promise. It's gonna be cool. I'll be going on the splitter. You'll probably see all these on the splitter in the next video. Next one is from RH Farmer. Ooh, there's a slew of stickers in here. So, you got an eagle. Looks like the American flag's on its wings and whatnot. Actually, it's really nice. So, that's a really nice sticker. That's cool. Chevy. Steel. Yeah, I gotta get this one up close. Warning, do not screw with my Miller Lite. Serious injury or death can occur. That is freaking awesome. And an AMSOIL. So, got lots of stickers here. Again, thanks IH Farmer. Definitely be putting 1 or 2 of these on the splitter. That's for sure. Maybe 1 or 2 on the mower. Palmetto State Armory. Got a little note here. No connection to these guys other than I've been a regular customer. It's a cool sticker and represents South Carolina involvement in American history. South Carolina is a Palmetto State. If you're ever down in South Carolina, check out one of those stores. It's like a Walmart full of guns and other outdoor stuff. Keep up the great videos. Thanks, Griswolder. Appreciate it, bud. Definitely be putting that on. Got one from my cousin. He just stopped in and dropped it off. Big old American flag. Thanks, Timmy. And this one I've been waiting for a while. This is from Woody Vowell. I think I'm pronouncing that right. If not, I apologize. But let's check this one out. North American Coal. I think Back 40 got this sticker also. There we go. Mississippi Lignite Mining Company. Thanks again, Woody. Another awesome sticker to throw on the splitter. Will probably be in my next video because I'll turn the camera around here after I'm done doing all this stuff to the saw, and I'll show you the big score I got yesterday. Pretty nice size wood. Definitely put the log lift to the test. I didn't see the note that Matt left me, but it says, Shibe, hopefully you can put this bar and chain to use. Your fellow woodhound, Matt D. So again, Matt, thanks for the bar and chain. I'll definitely see if it fits, and if I just have lambing or something to do, I'll definitely put it to use. Thanks again, bud. Get this bar off. Bars off. Let's set this to the side for now. See what we can do with these dogs. Oh yeah, that's gonna fit good. So the holes are already here for the dogs. Get this crud cleaned out of here. All right, I gotta pop these chain guides off. You get the screws in. This stuff cleaned out here. It's already molded for the nut to stay in there, so that's cool. Look at that. That's gonna be, just looks alone, it's gonna be awesome. Get a little more leverage on a log. Heck yeah. All right, let's slap this 20-inch bar on here. But let's get to the air cleaner. Whew. Definitely due for a cleaning, that's for sure. But since I'm changing it out, I don't have to worry about that. Yellow breathe, nice. So I had this for 9 years. All I did was clean the original air filter. But getting to the point where it's pretty gummed up. So figure what the hell, might as well change it out. Boom, there's that. Easy peasy. All right, now I've never done, I haven't even watched a video on changing the fuel filter, so I've never done a fuel filter either. I haven't even watched a video. Got to figure out how to get that cap retainer back in there. Take my glasses off here. The old needle nose, long needle nose out. Too terrible so far. Kind of easy. I don't want to pull it off the inside though. There we go. Get one ready here. Doesn't look too bad. Actually looks pretty clean. But I got it. Might as well replace it. Alright. No, I'm not, because it's different. So, so the fuel filter, I don't know if it'll work or not. Let's give it a go. No, that's just gonna fall right off. The nipple on the fuel filter that came in this kit isn't big enough. So, the original is gonna have to stay on until I get the right one. Alright, never had this happen before either. I think slot there. Screwdriver or something. There's a slot right inside here. This the ball slides into. There we go. Alright, there we have it. 20-inch bar. Another set of dogs on the cover. So here's all the wood I got yesterday. There's 3 rows. There's some big stuff there. I got one ready to go split. Really nice stuff there. All the stuff over there, it's gonna be for the wood stand. I think I might have some shorter stuff in this pile. I don't have a tape measure out here. But that sucker goes clear up to above my knee. Some good stuff. It's all red oak. I think there might be some white oak in here. I got some poplar, which I'm gonna put in the wood stand. Thanks for the Miller High Life hat, Jared. Thanks for the 16-inch bar, Matt, and chain. Thanks to Woody for the sticker, Timmy, Kevin, the IH Farmer, and Griswold. Appreciate it. That's all I got for today, guys. So if you like this type of stuff, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. tell a friend, and I'll see you guys in the next one.